Me and my roofing client up in Milwaukee just closed a deal for some repairs. I had originally contacted who I thought was the president of this company, but turns out he's still the building owner, but he's no longer associated with the actual company. He said that they had been having some roofing issues. There was some separation happening between seams on their roof, some cracking, and some leaks as well. So we got out there, we were able to give him an inspection quote, got a couple proposals over to him. This deal closed for around $6,800 in repairs. Can't wait to see what else is out there and close some more deals.